Alright. Welcome to Dan Open. I said I wasn't going to record this, but I figured I don't want to jinx myself. I said I might drop the tank, and if I record it, I won't. Because I put that out in the atmosphere for some reason. Yeah, we're going to get started. This will just be a high-speed recording. I look like a bath towel, dude. Oh. A soft bath towel. I need something big, not a bunch of paper towels. It's going to peel out first. What the heck is stuck in there? Interesting. Well, you come on there. I like this setup. Son of a... Is it supposed to be on this way? I think it is. Well, what is going on here? Why can't I get it to thread on? Is it a reverse thread? It is a reverse thread. It's got a weird compression nut with reverse thread and different lengths threads to tighten it down. It's kind of cool, but kind of annoying all at the same time. Whee! Let's go to this side. Yeah, I think it's fading more too, because it looks even less noticeable now. Or it's just the fluorescent lights accentuate that much more. said catch. That means you have to catch it.
There's no guarantee of catch.
When somebody says catch, there is. That's the word catch.
That's more often a cue to drop it.
Robert? Condom. Yeah, you're right. It looks better than sissy bar. I don't really like sissy bars, but this bike needs a sissy bar.
What's a sissy bar?
Yes. Only sissies need help to stay on a motorcycle. That's the whole thought.
That's for
For your passenger, but it's called a sissy bar. Your passenger's a sissy. They need to guide their own bike.
right.
And they're a sissy if they need a backrest.
Oh, it's for your woman.
It's called a sissy bar.
It's so they can't say read your shirt that if the
See, they're called a sissy bar because I'm not touching them. My woman has to hang on to me in my sport bike. Or she's going off the back.
Yeah.
I guess this is so you can ride your sister around then. Is that better? Yeah, no, it isn't.
that doesn't
No,
sound
see?
better.
See? It's a sissy bar.
You don't even have a sister.
But it's a cussy bar.
Gross.
And there you have it. No more scratches. Just some deer tay that needs to be cleaned off from being in the garage. She's pretty. A lot prettier than she was when she first was gone. Well, that's it. That'll do it for Damned Old Things on the Sportster Sally tank repair. Damned Old Things out.